Hi, let me share with you what is the best way to do your fixed deposits. Hi, my name is Louis. Many people that I know, they are doing a wrong way for their fixed deposits. If you have 100,000, many people will take this 100,000, go to the bank and do only one contract with the bank for the fixed deposits. That is totally a wrong way. Fixed deposit, you want to get a higher interest, at the same time you want to minimize on your risk because you want to take the money just for the emergency case. Let me teach you two methods. Number one, you can divide your 100,000 into 5 different batches. Okay, 20,000, 20,000, 20,000. So these 5 batches go into the bank and do the fixed deposit for a year. So even though you need to use the money, you only lose maybe one of the contract, but you still remain your interest to run for the remaining for the 4 contract. Second method, you should divide your money into 20,000 in the first batch, 30,000 at the second batch, and 50,000 at the third batch. So now the first batch, your contract is 1 year. Second batch is 2 years, and the third batch is 3 years. So the next year, you go to the bank again. The batch number 1, you should renew it as a 3 years contract. Then the second year, batch number 2, you should renew it as also 3-year contract. So after 3 years, every year actually you are flexible to get the money out from the bank, but at the same time you can earn your maximum interest rate. I hope this video is going to help you. Please subscribe my YouTube and follow my Instagram and Facebook. Thank you.